Hi and welcome to Airdropspot. So this is like a follow-up video to Singularity Finance Testnet that we did a couple of weeks ago. So I've been getting comments that there is a change on the interface of Singularity Finance and two tabs are missing, which is Wrap and Unwrap SFI. So we are going to be treating that in this video. But before we get started, I quickly want to show a part of this testnet that we could not do in the previous video, and that is bridging SFI from Sepolia to Singularity. And we could not do that because you don't have SFI on Sepolia. You have to wait until funds arrive on Sepolia before you can be able to bridge to Singularity. So I just tapped on the bridge task and I'm going to click on that drop down, then this icon that looks like a clock, that is the history icon. Then I'm going to tap on the withdraw tab. If you remember that in the previous video we actually bridged from Singularity to Sepolia. However, there is a 7-day waiting period before your funds can arrive from Singularity to Sepolia. Now this video is like 10 days after, so our funds are now on Sepolia, but we have to manually claim the funds. So I just swiped toward the right side and then I'm going to tap on approve and then confirm the approval in my wallet. I am going to repeat that for the second one as well. I'll click on approve, then confirm the approval in my wallet. So after you clicked on approval, it may take about 1 minute before you'll be able to see the claim button. So I quickly used that period of waiting time to do like 2 more bridging. Then I am back on history and then I'm going to tap on claim button to manually claim SFI from Singularity to Sepolia. Now I claimed the first one. I'm going to hit the claim button for the second transaction as well. So I have successfully claimed SFI on Sepolia network. Now I will go back to the bridge interface and we can now bridge from Sepolia over to Singularity. And for these 2 new transactions, I have to wait another 7 days and then come back to my withdrawal history and then manually claim them to Sepolia. So I am now on the bridge interface and I'll be bridging. You can see I am on the deposit tab. I'll be bridging SFI from Sepolia over to Singularity. I have 30 SFI. That is the total of the SFI I have bridged to Sepolia before. And I'm going to bridge about 20, or I'll bridge 2. I'll click on bridge fund and I'm going to check that checkbox. Then I'll tap on bridge funds again. And now I am going to confirm this interaction in my wallet. Unlike when you bridge from Singularity to Sepolia and it takes 7 days for the funds to arrive on Sepolia, bridging from Sepolia to Singularity actually takes 3 minutes. Click on the history button or go back to the drop down at the top, then tap on that clock icon to view your deposit history, and then you see that there is nothing else to do when you bridge from Sepolia to Singularity. You have nothing to claim manually. The funds will arrive on Singularity automatically, unlike Singularity where you have to come back after 7 days and then manually claim. So I think we are done with the bridging. Now I'm going to move on to the main reason why we are doing this video. I'll open up a fresh tab and I'm going to paste this link. So this link is going to take you to the swap interface. Even though you can't see it on the website again, it is going to take you to the swap interface where you'll be swapping SFI for wSFI or wSFI for SFI. So here we are. I'm going to enter the amount of SFI that I would like to swap. I have 53, so I'll be swapping, let's say 20. Then I'll click on the swap button and then I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. And if you want to unwrap wSFI to SFI, you simply switch that arrow so that wSFI be at the top and SFI at the bottom. So that is pretty much how to wrap and unwrap if you can't find the tab on the website again. And of course, if you want to use the faucet, you are going to use a link. I'm not sure if faucet was available on the site automatically the last time we did the video. So I'm just going to have both the link to the faucet and the wrap interface. I'm going to leave both links in the comment section of this video for your benefit. So that is pretty much it. I think I have answered the concern that everybody is having regarding Singularity Finance Testnet. And if you still have any other question, drop a comment in the comment section of this video and do like it so that the algorithm can then go on to show it to many others who also need this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another tutorial tomorrow by God's grace.